As the deadline for filing income tax returns for the financial year 2023-24 approaches on July 31, 2024, taxpayers across India are under mounting pressure to meet their obligations. Failure to file ITR on time can lead to severe consequences, including hefty penalties and interest charges. The Income Tax Department has set strict penalties for missing the deadline. If you fail to file your ITR by July 31, 2024, you can still submit a belated return by December 31, 2024. However, be warned, such delays can result in penalties ranging from 1,000 to 10,000 rupees, depending on your income level. Additionally, late filing may invite interest charges under the section of 234A of the Income Tax Act, calculated from the day after the deadline. It is crucial to gather all necessary documents before filing, including Form 16 from your employer's, PAN card, Aadhaar card that is linked to PAN, investment proofs, home loan interest certificates, and insurance premium payment receipts. These documents are essential not only for accurate filing, but also for claiming refunds and avoiding gaps that could trigger audits. Taxpayers with a total income of 5 lakh or less are subject to a lower penalty of 1,000 rupees for late filing, providing some relief for smaller income brackets. However, for those with higher incomes, the penalty can escalate to 5,000 rupees if the deadline is missed. Late filers may incur penalties and owe interest on unpaid taxes as specified under Section 234A of the Income Tax Act. The interest rate is currently 1% per month and part thereof, calculated from the day after the ITR filing deadline. This interest is intended to discourage delayed tax payments and encourage prompt compliance. Filing your ITR on time is not just a legal requirement but also ensures you receive any applicable refunds promptly. Delayed filings not only delay potential refunds but also subject you to potential audits by the Income Tax Department. For a smooth and hassle-free tax filing experience, ensure you file your ITR well before the deadline to avoid last-minute technical glitches or system delays. Stay informed and prepared to navigate the complexities of tax filing to safeguard your financial interests and comply with regulatory obligations. Remember, the deadline of July 31, 2024 is fast approaching. Take action now to secure your financial future and avoid the pitfalls of late tax filing.